Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will be making a custom rainbow bracelet. So this means I will be using different crystals to make this bracelet. The bracelet has to be must be 16 centimeters long, so I'm gonna cut about 14 centimeters because I also need to add the crystals. I need to add some wire, 6 crystals, and then I'll have to finish the bracelet with jump rings and lobster clasp closure. Okay, so my customer wants the following crystals. She wants garnet, she wants amethyst, then I need to double check. Then she wants aquamarine, that stone. Then she wants some rose quartz, and she wants moonstone, and she wants a black obsidian at the end. Right, well, let's get started. So this is 14 centimeters long. What we need to do now is we need to cut some wire. I'm gonna use 26 gauge art wire, and what I need to do is I need to thread the wire, and then I need to make a loop and wrap around. When I make the loop, I need to hold like that with my hand, my finger, and then just start wrapping around. Can help myself, can hold the loop with pliers and just keep wrapping around like that. Okay, so this is done. This is how it looks, the loop. I need to cut the excess wire, and I need to close it. Have a bit more wire here. I'm gonna cut. Okay, so now we can start threading the the crystal chips into this wire. First we have garnet, the second crystal is amethyst, like that. Actually I'll be able to use bigger crystal like this one. Right, garnet, then we have the amethyst, then aquamarine. You can choose a different one like this one, aquamarine. Then we have rose quartz. Next is moonstone, but I think I'm gonna change the aquamarine with that one. You know, it takes time, we need to make sure the pattern looks good. So after the aquamarine was the rose quartz. Rose quartz, then we have moonstone, then we have black obsidian at the end. I use this one. Yeah, you can see the crystals are not the same, they're different shapes obviously. Try that one. Oh yeah, something like that. Okay, so this is how the bracelet would look like. It's pretty. So now I need to do the same thing on that side, at the other end. I need to make a loop and then I need to start wrapping around so I can help myself and hold with the pliers, and then you can just wrap around the bracelet like that. That looks good to me. Now I can cut the excess wire. Okay, looks good to me. So now I have to add the lobster clasp and the jump rings. So I need to cut the bracelet in the middle. Then I can measure again just to make sure it's the right length. Right, so it's 15.5. Two jump rings and a lobster clasp is about centimeter. So I'll have to cut just a bit at the end just to make sure it will fit perfectly. Okay, now it's time to add the jump rings. Okay, so here are my flat nose pliers. I need to add a jump ring. That one just flew away. I'm gonna add another one here. And we'll need the lobster clasp. This one here. Right, so here's the lobster clasp. I'll close it like that. And now I need to add on that side another jump ring. Like that. And here is the bracelet. It's ready. I just need to package it and it's ready to go to its new owner. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.